I'll start the class. Okay. So in the last class, we had discussed about some of the truth tables. What are the truth values? And we have discussed a topic called as tautology and a network. Right. We have discussed about tautology and a network, contradiction. So we'll again only one problem I had discussed in the last class. Right. So today I'll be discussing another set of a problem with respect to tautology and contradiction. So I'll just glance what is tautology, contradiction, and contingency again, and then I'll start the classes. Fine. So tautology is basically what? Here the truth values. Truth values andre it can be either 0 or either 1. So tautology is nothing but what? Truth value should be 1 here. What is contradiction? Contradiction means here the truth value should be 0. So tautology means all the truth values of a compound proposition. What is the meaning of a compound proposition? Whether my voice is trucking, video and voice? Students? Whether there is a problem with my network? No. I'll first check your video and voice once and let me know. Okay. So tautology is here the truth value should be 1, whereas contradiction the truth value of a compound proposition should be 0. Contingency andre the truth value can be either 0 or either 1. So last figure, final result, it should be either 1 under tautology. Whenever they ask us proof for tautology, tautology means 1, whereas contradiction means 0, whereas contingency means 1 or 0. So this is we have discussed in the last class, and we have seen only one problem, I think. So today we will continue another set of problems. If it is not visible, just tell me. So here, prove the following. Prove in question kodtare namge avaru. Prove whether it's visible. One second. Whether it's visible or no. Prove the following. Prove the following compound proposition. Prove the following compound proposition. In that, first one they are asking. In that they are asking first one. Just for today one day, there is actually problem with network. Okay. So first and the foremost problem what I'll be telling is see here, today I'll be taking another type of a logical connective which we have not used till now. Most we have not used. Till now what are the logical connective we use? One is about conjunction, one is disjunction, one is conditional I have used, one is biconditional also I have used. Exclusive disjunction anta one kade odidvi now. Exclusive disjunction I have not used anywhere. Okay. Problems no adra mele jasti madilla now. So now problem they have given us on exclusive disjunction. So P exclusive disjunction. Take it as exclusive disjunction. Disjunction kelaga dash and happen. So this is exclusive disjunction Q. P exclusive disjunction Q. It is 1. Matta V. V means what? Disjunction. Disjunction means what? It is OR. Of P by condition Q. We need to prove this as tautology. Tautology how we'll prove? With the help of truth table. Now we'll solve one by one. So first question you need to follow. What they have given in the question? P exclusive disjunction Q. Okay, P exclusive disjunction Q. Again disjunction. This is not same as this. Idenidu exclusive disjunction. Idenidu disjunction. This is what? Bicondition. So first I need to write what? Truth table. And first I need to solve this. What is P disjunction Q? Then I need to solve P bicondition. This is bicondition Q. Then even result in bandirtavo, I need to do what? I need to do the disjunction of those two. Fine. So finally what happens here? I need to prove it to be a tautology. Tautology antandrenu lasting one barbe. So for that we'll see how truth table works. So as we know, only two propositions kotar, either P or either Q. So you need to take only two value truth table. P, Q, R kottidre en tobeko 3 value. If they have given P, Q, R, you need to take three values 0 to 7. Since here they have given only two, that is P and Q, you need to take what? Only two value proposition. First I take P, Q. First is what here? P and Q. What are its values? I will get either 0, 0 combinations 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. Okay, I have got what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Next, I'll solve this separately. Then I will solve P exclusive disjunction Q. I'll solve here. Then I will solve P bicondition Q. Even result in bandirthuda, I need to do the OR gate. Once I do the OR gate, I need to get what? Tautology. Tautology andrenu? Everything, tautology means what? Everything should be 1, 1, 1. Lastic tautology andra, whatever the result we get, finally it needs to be 1. Contradiction, I need to get 0, 0, 0. Contingency antandrenu? Either 0 or 1. So remember three words. One is tautology. It is spelled as Tautology. Tautology. Okay. Then tautology 1. Truth value should be 1. Contradiction, truth value should be 0. Whereas contingency means what here? The truth value should be either, it can be either 0 or 1. Fine. So first I will solve, ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. First P exclusive disjunction Q. P exclusive disjunction Q. Now I need to know what is this 0, 0. P exclusive disjunction. For that you need to know the truth table. For that you need to know the truth table. I'll write here for your reference. Since this is the first problem we are solving on exclusive disjunction, I will write here what will be the truth table also. P Q. P exclusive disjunction Q. What is actually exclusive disjunction? It is same as disjunction only. Exclusive disjunction is same as disjunction only. Disjunction is OR operation. But what is the difference? Last OR operation is 1, 1, 1 anta baritivi. Illi enanta baribeku 1, 1, 0. Only that is the difference. For example, if I take OR gate, how we will write 0, 1, 1, 1. One easy thing I want to tell you. How we will write the OR gate? OR gate you will be writing as 0, 1, 1, 1. Whereas here in the exclusive disjunction, instead of 1, 1, 1, I will write it as 0. This is exclusive disjunction. Niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ exam ನಾಗ exclusive disjunction how it will work. If you don't know all these things, just put a truth table of OR gate. Once you put a truth table of OR gate, then last condition is little bit changed. That is 1, 1, it will not be 1, 1, 1, it will be 0. 1, 1 is 0. Now I wrote the truth table of exclusive disjunction. Let me write the same here. P is 0, Q is 0. When P is 0, Q is 0, what will be the result? Same, 0. When P is 0 and Q is 1. When P is 0 and when Q is 1, what will be the result? It will be 1. Next, same, PQ, PQ. So there is no difference. The same, I'll be getting the result here. 1, 0. When P is 1, Q is 1. When P is 1, Q is 1. What will be the result? The result will be 0. So the result will be 0. Okay, I have completed this one. If you want, you copy this. Now, I have completed this part. There is another thing here. P bicondition Q. Now you need to know what is actually the bicondition. You need to know what is actually the bicondition. I'll put here truth table for bicondition. P bicondition Q. It is nothing but 1 0 0 1. P bicondition Q. If you go and see the truth table, of P bicondition Q, you will come to know what is the truth table. So P bicondition Q. When P is 0, Q is 0, its value is 1. When P is 0, see here, when P is 0 and when Q is 0, what will be the value? Its value is 1. When P is 0 and when Q is 1, when P is 0, Q is 1, what will be the value? 0. Similarly, when P is 1 and Q is 0, when P is 1, Q is 0, what will be the result? 0. That when both are 1 and the 1, result ಏನು ನಮಗೆ 1. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಗೋ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಫರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋರು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. Fine. Now I have got this. Okay. Now we need to prove for tautology. Okay. I have solved this part. I have solved P exclusive disjunction Q, and I have also solved P bicondition Q. For these two, what I need to do? I need to do the OR gate. See here. P exclusive disjunction Q and the E column. This column. Okay. V andre no, it is nothing but disjunction. V is nothing but what? It is a disjunction, or it is nothing but OR operation. Next, what is this? P bicondition Q. P bicondition Q. So what is P bicondition Q? Where is it? It is in second column. So idu one column, idu one column. These two columns I need to do the OR operation. I need to do the OR operation. 0 1 and but the OR operation, or I think you know the truth table. What will be 0 and 1? It will be definitely 1. OR operation, not AND. It is disjunction. V is what? Disjunction. Cap, reverse of V is no, that is conjunction. Fine. So 0 and 1, it is 1. 1 and 0, it is 1. See here, 1. Here I have 0. It is nothing but 1. Next, third, 1 and 0, 1. 0 and 1, 1. Whether I have got all the values 1, 1, 1, 1. See now, 1, 1, 1, 1. Did we get tautology? Hence, this is nothing but it is a tautology. This is nothing but a tautology. Like this, you need to prove the problems. Tautology adru kelbodu, contingency adru kelbodu, contradiction adru kelbodu. Sometimes what I will prove this problem as a tautology. Andre no, now prove madlebeku. Bere option illa. We need to prove as 1 1 1 1. If they ask, check whether it is a tautology or no, check madbeku. If all are 1 1 1 1, then it is a tautology. If only 2 are 1s, 2 are 0, then it is a contradiction. If all are 0 0 0, it is definitely a contradiction. So like this, you need to prove compulsory. Truth table is compulsory. Okay, if you have doubt whether we need to put a truth table and solve, yes, we need to compulsory put a truth table and then we need to solve. Here I have written for your explanation. Don't write again in exam. This B and then bardinla. This is for your explanation. It's not write in your exam. Whether everybody followed this simple example? Everybody followed the simple example? Okay. So this is first example. We will go to the another set of examples. Next, they are asking us, next problem, I'll rub this. Another example they have given. See here, P exclusive disjunction Q. P exclusive disjunction Q conjunction. Notice here it is a conjunction. Same problem as the last problem. Instead of disjunction, they have given here conjunction. Okay. Conjunction P by condition Q. Prove this to be a contradiction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರೆ. Contradiction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Everything should be zero. Everything should be zero. Contradiction means what? Everything should be zero. Now see here. Again same P exclusive disjunction Q, P by condition Q. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ change. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು ಆ problem ನಾಗ? This was disjunction. Here they have given conjunction or and. We will see the problem whether we'll get contradiction or no. First, as usual, P, Q, directly I'll write here. Again, I'll not write the truth table. If you want, you refer the truth table of previous problem. Then I will take P by condition Q. I will take P by condition Q. It was 1, 0, 0, 1. P by condition Q was 1, 0, 0, 1. Next, P exclusive disjunction Q. See here, notice here, this is conjunction, not disjunction. This is and operation, it is not or operation. It is and. Finally, P. So these two columns, I need to consider this column and I need to consider divider then make now conjunction. I need to do the conjunction. 0, 1. And operation, what will be 0, 1? Definitely 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. What did I get here? All the I got here all the values are 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is how you need to prove. So this problem is nothing but a contradiction. This problem is nothing but what? Your contradiction. Since all the truth values are 0, in this problem, so it is nothing but a contradiction, hence we have proved it. Compulsory, you need to put the truth table. There is no other way to solve. Okay, marks will be given for truth table. It may be asked for 2 marks. So they may ask prove ಮಾಡಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Prove correct ಇದ್ರೆ correct, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Hence it is proved wrong. For example, wrong ಕೊಟ್ಟು confuse ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅವರು. Prove to tautology. ಆ tautology ಇರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So you need to write wrong. You need to write at the bottom. Since here there are 1, 0 and 1, 1, it is not a tautology, it will be contingency. If they give, prove this compulsory to be a tautology, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೇನು. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 0, tautology ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 1, contingency means 0 or combinations of 0, 2 0 2 1 ಅಥವಾ 1 0 3 1 ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. So this is the problem with respect to what? It is nothing but about contradiction. Coming to next, iವಾಗ contingency ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ. I will show about contingency also one. Okay. See here, everything is same except this. This is the third problem. P only condition, not by condition. Notice here, P condition is contingency. Contingency ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0 ಇರಬೇಕು, 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. Contingency. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay. Now this column I require. I don't require this column. We need to prove it to be a contingency. Now see here. I have written, no doubt, already it is there. P exclusive disjunction Q. P exclusive disjunction Q. I need to write what here? P condition. It is not by condition. What is P condition Q? What is the truth table? It is 1 1 0 1. P, if I want, I'll write here truth table. I'll write here if you want that. Okay. P or else whoever wants truth table, just see P Q. P condition Q. P, Q, P condition Q, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. I will get here 1, 1, 0, 1. Then Bantu, go to the previous classes. It is again, I'll not repeat how we have got this condition. Condition, and another one thing I told you, condition 1101 solves in Pythagoras. You don't have a logic behind this conditional logical connective. So it is PQ1101. When B is 1 and when Q is 0, it is 0, whereas rest all are 1, 1. So P, I got here P condition Q, it is 1101. Directly I have written. Next, I need to solve this right now. I need to solve. See here. I'll write here. P exclusive disjunction Q conjunction. Conjunction means what? And operation. Conjunction means what? And operation of P condition Q. So consider this column and this column. So for these two, I need to do the conjunction. I need to do the conjunction for these two. 0, 1. Conjunction. What is the meaning of a conjunction? What is the meaning of a conjunction? Conjunction is and operation. Yes. 0, 1. What will be conjunction? It is definitely 0. 0, 1 is a 0. Conjunction andre no? 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1 is only 1. Yes. So 0, 1, 0. What is 1 and 1? 1 and 1. It is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. Next. 1, 0. It is 0. 0, 1, 0. See here. So what I got here? I got 3 zeros and 1 1. I got here 3 zeros and how many ones I got here? I got only 1. So contingency is proved. 1 adru 1 irbodu. You can get the number of zeros and number of ones doesn't matter. 1 0 bandu ella 1 bandrunu okay, no problem illa. It is contingency. But if I get a combinations of 0 and 1, then definitely hence it is a contingency. Hence it is proved. So remember, tautology everything should be 1. Contingency, contradiction everything should be 0. Whereas contingency is nothing but you can either get 0, you can get either 1. 2 0 2 1 irbodu, 1 0 3 1 irbodu, 3 zeros 1 1 irbodu, yavadadru irbodu. But the combination 0 1 present idre mugitadu contingency. Bare 1 idre enadu tautology. Last final result ivella eno bekilla. This is not bother. Don't bother about these columns. Check only about final result. Only final result matters for us. Don't worry about this component. Don't worry about this component. Worry only about the last final result. If all are 1 1, it is a tautology. If all are 0, it is a contradiction. If I get a combination of zeros and ones, it is nothing but what? Contingency. No matter how many zeros you get, how many ones you get, it doesn't matter. 1 0 idrunu mugitadu contingency. 1 1 idrunu mugita, it is nothing but contingency. So everybody followed what is this contingency, contradiction, and finally the tautology. Everybody follow? Just raise your hand. Fine. Okay. Now we will go to another set of a problem. Same again, prove about tautology antane keltaru. Bere en kelalla. Prove it to be a tautology anta keltaru. Now prove the following. Again same tautology ne bere problems haki keltaru. Okay, now we will see another set of problems. Prove the following compound proposition. First one, Take the first one again. P, copy it correctly. P, condition of P disjunction Q. P, condition of P disjunction Q is a tautology. We need to prove is a tautology. Tautology ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Final result ಎಲ್ಲ 1 1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. So here what are given? P condition, again P disjunction Q. How we have to prove? Again with the help of truth table. No other option. Now first, since I have here two propositions P and Q, I need to consider P as well as Q. Okay, since I have here two propositions P and Q, I need to consider both the propositions P and both the propositions Q. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now they have given P disjunction Q. Evaluator then make now condition. So first I will solve this P disjunction Q. First I will solve P disjunction Q. What is P disjunction Q? 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. P disjunction Q. Okay, P disjunction Q. So 0 1 1 1. Okay. Okay. Now I have solved this last P condition of P disjunction Q. Andre ಏನು? This is complete here. Okay. P condition of this. Consider this to be a Q. Consider this to be a Q. Even Q also ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. I'll write here truth table for that also. P Q condition hang bariತೀವಿ. Just so I had solved that P condition Q. How we will write P condition Q? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. All will be 1 except third one. Okay, this is condition. Now I need to do what here? What is P? P is this P. What is Q? Complete this is Q. Where is this? It is here. So I need to take a condition of first column and third column. P is what? P. Sorry, P is this P. Q is what? This. This complete result. Then Q ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. Consider this to be a Q. So if P is 0 and Q is 0, for example, now consider only first column and third column. Consider first column and third column. If P is 0 and Q is 0, P is 0, Q is 0, what will be the result? It is 1. Next, if P is 0 and Q is 1, if P is 0 and Q is 1, if P is 0 and Q is 1, what will be the result? 1. Next, if P is 1 and E column bidri, we don't require this. So if P is 1 and if Q is 1, if P is 1 and if Q is 1, what will be the result? It will be 1 again. Last, if both are 1 and 1, if P is also 1, Q is also 1. If both are 1 1, 1. Third column is if P is 1 and Q is 0. If P is 1 and Q is 0, what I'll got here? I'll get here 0. Whether this is correct? Sorry, this is 1, no? I got confused. Sorry. Consider this column. Consider this column. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. First 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 again 1 1 1. Don't include this column. ಇವೆರಡು column You need to do the condition. You need to do the condition. So finally what I got here, all at 1 1 1 1. 1 1 1 1 means what here? It is nothing but a tautology. It is nothing but what here? Tautology. So Q ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? when we are solving P disjunction Q. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು. Finally when we are solving the final result, this consider this to be a P. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ Q ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 0 0 is nothing but 1 here. Again 0 1 0 1 is what? 1. Again 1 1 1 1 is also 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ 1 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅದ 1. So finally I have got what? 1 1 1 1. So it is nothing but a tautology. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but a tautology. Followed everybody this? Followed everybody? Okay. I'll give another problem for homework. Just copy it down. Okay. You can take this. You can copy this. Another assignment I will give today. Shall I rub the board? Okay. Take for assignment one problem, solve tomorrow and some. Okay. Solve same question. Solve ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Ultimately truth table you need to put, no other option. Prove P conjunction of negation P copied correctly. Again conjunction Q is a contradiction. Copy it correctly. P conjunction negation P again conjunction again Q is a contradiction. Is a contradiction. Is a contradiction. Fine. So this is how you need to solve using truth table. I hope everybody understood this. Solve this assignment. Tomorrow I'll check this and then I'll start the next problem. Due to some technical issues I had problems. Okay. But still if you have not followed, you can ask me. Okay. Tomorrow I'll take care of network issues and other issues. Okay. Whether you'll solve this? Tomorrow I will be checking. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be checking and today evening everybody send. Everybody send by today evening. Assignment edu kodthivi, whether you are following or no, you only will come to know. If you are not following, again you can ask me. Fine. So this I'll end the session for today. Followed no everybody? Raise your hand. Okay. Only few hand raised. What about others? Okay, fine. Fine. Okay.